Alright guys, so I got 4 packs of Duskmourn Collector's Edition right here. I'm gonna open them today, see what I pull. Find the land. Let's go. First one. Unholy Annex. Ooh, a demon card. Yes, could use this in my demon deck. Definitely. Oh. The secondary precon to Aminato's Vagabond's Onslaught. One of the new lands in full art. Pretty nice. And token. Alright, so that one, not that great. On to the next one. You win some, you lose some. Alright, so find the land. Take the token out. And these lands are just pretty. So, Unstoppable Slasher. Sadistic Shell Game. I love this card. It's such a good board wipe. Well, not board wipe, but removal. Ooh, Tivar. Not bad. We got Enduring Courage. Good boy, doggy. And last card, Victor. Yeah, this guy is very powerful. Not bad. Third one. Alright, so find the land, another island. Take the token out. Alright, so what's the first card? Peer past the veil. Discard your hand. Oh. Not bad. Soaring Lightbringer. Ooh, Demonic Council. That's a good card right here. Hey, Marina Vendrell. She is fun. And Reluctant Role Model. Alright, so don't seem like I got anything good out of these 4, but that's fine. Got some decent cards. Nothing money-wise, you know, fractured and stuff. Because that's what we look for. Alright. Token out. Marvin. Oh, you creepy doll, you. Look at him. Oh, so I basically got the Minato precon. The Unstoppable Slasher. Ooh, this is nice. And finally, Silent Hall Creeper. Yeah, that's beautiful art. Alright, and that's the 4 collector packs. Hope you enjoyed. Also, that is the original first edition. One of my most prized possessions.